Welcome to today's guide on how to make everyone see your photo story on Facebook Web using your PC. If you've been wondering how to make your story visible to everyone, this video has got you covered. Let's walk through each step carefully so you can share your best moments with the world. First, open Facebook on your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option that says Create a Story. It's right at the top of your feed. Click on it. Next, select Create a Photo Story. Now it's time to choose the photo you want to share. Click Upload Photo and select your image from your computer. After that, hit Open. Once your photo loads, you'll have some editing options. You can crop your photo, rotate it, or adjust it however you like to make it just right. On the left side, you'll see a text box. This is where you can add your caption or any message you want viewers to read. Type in what you'd like to say and feel free to choose a font style that matches your vibe, something bold, simple, or elegant. Next, look for the small gear icon at the top. That's where your story's visibility settings are. Click on it to open your story settings. You'll see different audience options, friends, friends of friends, or public. To make sure everyone can see your story, choose public and click save. Once that's set, take a moment to review your story. Make sure your photo looks perfect, your text reads clearly, and your settings are correct. When everything looks good, click Share to Story. That's it, your Facebook photo story is now live and visible to everyone, not just your friends. Now, anyone who visits your profile or comes across your story feed can see it. So the next time you post, remember the simple steps to make your stories reach a wider audience and get the attention they deserve.